input and output connection is series connection. Now you can say the transconductance amplifier and the voltage amplifier, you can say both are the same in the sense like a series connection only. Both are series connection only. Only thing is it will be changed. The voltage amplifier input also is voltage, output also is voltage. But here in transconductance, the input is voltage, but output is current. So from this very simple, we can say that is voltage mixing, current sampling. But the voltage amplifier, it's something but voltage mixing, voltage sampling there. I hope you might have understood that. So now next here, what we can say, the other name is like here, that is here, how we can say it is something series in the sense that this connection is something but also known as series feedback. Series feedback topology, also known as, okay. So these are the things are very important here. Or you might have studied one thing is like here. This is nothing but this one. Then series feedback. So, now how the diagram will be there, or here we written, you might have seen, right? Seen this written as like something called as voltage amplifier, voltage control current source. What about this? This will be input is current, output is current. It's a current control current source, we can say. It is a current control current source. This one, if you want to write current control current source. So by short, you can write as what? Current control current source. Triple CS. First is VC, VS. So here, this will be, how can I write in the sense, the input is voltage, output is current. So it's a voltage control current source. Current source. Now, how the figure will be there? So here, that is a transconductance amplifier. See, the transconductance amplifier will be input is voltage. Always we keep it in your mind. Okay, the input is voltage in the sense the input side here we said as so from that I can say input is voltage means series. Okay, so let me put the diagram over here. See here now. See this here we got the input is series, output also series. The only thing is I got here transfer means why it is a transfer means always the output by input, right? So output is current actually here. So it's a I. I is equal to V by R actually. So V by R in the sense this is an input voltage V. The 1 by R is conductance. So it's a transconductance amplifier, we can say. So see here, same VS, RS, here RL, we'll get the I naught over there. Same I naught will be, you get output current. Then here minus plus VF feedback, because from this feedback I'm getting. So same even here also, always anywhere you see VI is equal to VS minus VF if we are having voltage or the current. Okay, this is nothing but the third one. Next, let us study about the last topology. The last topology is nothing but RAN resistance amplifier. RAN resistance amplifier. RAN resistance amplifier. Now, what are the points we have to make a note in this? So first, the input signal is current here, and the output signal is voltage. Okay. Now the second point is the feedback topology. So from the name only we can say which feedback topology will use here. Input is current, output is voltage. So it's nothing but what? It is nothing but a current mixing, then voltage sampling. Voltage sampling. Okay, voltage sampling. Okay, next step. What about the input and output connection now? Here, the input connection, about the connection, the input and the output. The connection is, sorry, the input is shunt or parallel connection and the output is series. Input is shunt because the input is current. It is very simple. You can say where you are getting the current, that will be parallel. Where you are having the voltage, that will be series. So very simple. Easily we can say. So both are current in the sense like you got both the sides are sorry. In this we got as like input is parallel, current, output is the current, but here we got series connection. Don't think in that way. So as I said there, like so we are using 1 and 3 voltage amplifier, trans conductance amplifier, current amplifier, trans resistance amplifier. Both are look like same actually. It will be very simple, right? I think only thing is like a change will be the diagram change will be there. Like a trans resistance diagram will be like this. Right. Trans resistance. Here, the current, this is very important point. And here, what I can say, the both input shunt, output series. So it is shunt series feedback, also known as. Then the fifth we can say it is also known as it's a current controlled voltage source. See, very important thing this only, okay? Because sometimes in examination, they may ask you to write trans resistance amplifier, or they may ask current mixing, voltage sampling, equivalent topology explain, or they may say shunt to series feedback. See, these three things you have to keep it in your mind very carefully. So now the diagram will be here for this. See here. So the input is current. See, the input is current, the output is voltage here. Next is the input is which topology? It is a parallel or shunt, we can say, right? The input is parallel. Here, what is the output? Output signal is input is shunt or parallel, and out. Oh, sorry, yeah, I made a mistake here actually. Both are this. Yes, fine. So simple mistake I done here. Input and output. Okay, input and output both are shunt or parallel connections. See, both are parallel connections, as like your current amplifier. Okay, my mistake. So from this we can make the size. You can say like the topology 1. Okay, we can say topology 1 is 3, then 2 is 4 actually. The connection wise, if I say, the thing is only change will be here. Right? The only thing is the connection is same, but the parameter, the input signal, the output signal is different. So the topology is same. Topology is same 1, 3, 2, 4, but input and output signal is different. So next class, what we will do, we'll study clearly how to find out the gain, that is feedback gain for each and every feedback. So that you have to calculate here. These are the four. These are the very important feedback topologies. The negative feedback. These are the four important topologies.